This is the first thing you do in Tembr. Record your voice once, about 90 seconds, and every voice note the system ever sends will be built from it. Under New Voice, start with the master reference. It is written to cover the full range of the language in one continuous read. The situation scripts below it are for extra voices later, one register each. Click the big card and the script is on screen. 3 things make or break the take. A quiet room, because the clone inherits every sound in it. A decent microphone, wired or your phone's own recorder, never a Bluetooth headset. And your natural pace, because the clone copies how you speak, not just how you sound. Then press record. When you stop, the studio measures the recording before you commit to it. It checks how far your microphone reaches, how bright the consonants are, and how far your voice sits above the room. If something is quietly ruining the take, it says so here, in plain language, not numbers. Use the take, and the name is already filled in with something unique. Tick the consent line, create, and the voice is a card in your library, with a quality badge that tells you at a glance whether it was a clean room or a roomy one. That is the whole ceremony. Go to generate, type anything, and hear yourself say it. When it sounds like you, your voice is ready to work.